performance, and we love watching Caribbean TV.
We're standing here tonight with the Linkage Award with one of the winners and an artist that's been around in the reggae industry for a very long time. Her name is SOPHIA Brown, and we're going to introduce SOPHIA. Hi, this is your girl SOPHIA Brown, that owns the SB, and of course I've been in the business for over 2 decades. North America just getting a taste of SOPHIA Brown, but the rest of the world have been gotten and have been seeing SOPHIA Brown. So it was very nice to be here tonight at the Linkage Award, and also to win something, you know, an outstanding achievement award for doing so much for reggae music as a woman. And as an independent artist who produce, who write, who perform, who own my own label, Music Maker Records, you know, it's a lot of work, but somebody got to do it. So some little birdie told me that you also toured with Dennis Brown. How was that? That was fantastic because, you know, Dennis Brown is one of the iconic, you know, legendary. When you go to the stage show and you mention Dennis Brown, people go and get into a frenzy, you know. So he was a legendary performer to work with and to open for, you know. Well, congratulations on your award tonight, and tell people where they can go listen to your music. They can go to www.sophiabrownmusic.com. They also can go to www.sophiabrown, and they can go to iTunes to buy the music from there.
Just